Yeah, hello, yes, I welcome you all to my channel. I'm Crypto Lord, you can call me Arbitrage Lord. So today we are about to use the Crypto Arbitrage AI bot to do our exchange to exchange. So it means that the bot will give us a signal, then we will trade on the signal. So when I scroll down here, you can see that we have live arbitrage signals that keep changing every 8 seconds, right? Yeah. So this one, because I'm a premium account, that is why I get access to this. But if you want access to this one, the monthly is 50 USDT to subscribe, so that you'll be getting 8 opportunity every 8 seconds. Yeah. So if I look through, you said that we have many right? Yeah. So okay. Yeah. So bit Bybit and Bybit and OKX BTC. Yeah. So I'll just come here, Bybit here. So these are Bybit BTC on OKX is 81,440, right? And OKX on Bybit is 81,427. So you can see that this is 81,440, 81,431. So we keep on changing the stuff. So it means that still I'll be buying from here, and I will sell it over here. Yeah. So we have four things that you have to consider. The first one is already on the boat. So if I come to the boat here, you can see that we have the volume. You have to make sure that the coin you are trading has more than a million 24 hours market volume. A million 24 hours market volume. And the second one is the coins have to have the same address. So that's the two things I can tell you. The rest, if you join my mentorship or my upcoming class, that the date will be out soon. Yeah, you will get to know all these things. Yeah. So you can see that still, if I come here, the BTC over is 81,440, and here is what 81,427. So this is how you do it. First of all, you have to buy it. You have to buy it, and when you're buying it, we have a way of buying a coin, and we also have a way of selling a coin. We have a way of buying a coin, we have a way of selling the coin. So right now it's like, let's say 11:59. Let's say it's Thursday. Yeah, Thursday. Yeah, because like it's left only 1 minute for it to be 12 o'clock. Yeah. So we have a way of buying it and we have a way of selling it. So if you don't know all these things, you think that exchange to exchange is not working, but it's working. So first of all, let me go because here, let me see, BTC here. BTC here is what 81,450, and BTC here is what 81,403. So it means that I'll buy it from here and I'll go and sell it over here. So when I buy it, the money will be in my assets, right? So it means that I will transfer the money from here and go and sell it over there. So first of all, let me go transfer and check whether they all bear the same address, right? So on chain, I already have 130, 18 something BTC. Yeah. So I'll check here. It is BTC. Yeah. And I also go here and check the deposit crypto. BTC, right? It also use BTC, that's Bitcoin. Yeah. So it use BTC. So it means that it's use the same address, right? Yeah. So it means that I can transfer the money from one exchange to another exchange. Yeah. But before you do exchange to exchange, make sure that you have mastered the act, because you can get a signal from here and still make mistakes. That is why I always tell you that you will need someone to mentor you and show you how to trade properly. Because though you can get the signals, this one is conch signals. It gives you signals for you to trade, and I've already showed you one. Yeah, and I got a signal from here. So all these things are signals, and it change 8 seconds. Every 8 seconds, it give you another signal. Every 8 seconds, it give you another signals. Yeah. So it makes sure that it gives you signals, and if you don't know or don't have knowledge about the exchange to exchange arbitrage, you will still run it some way. You see that thing? Because there are some things that you have to consider before you initiate a trade. Yeah. So this is it. So the bot is not only for automatic trade, it also gives you signals for you to trade. Yes, when you subscribe, you will get signals for you to trade. It gives you signals for you to what? Trade. And the signals, it change every 8 seconds. It gives you 8 signals every 8 seconds. You see? Yeah. So you can set up, we have XRP, buy on a chain. So when you're doing it, you have to what? Screenshot it first and go through together. After that, you screenshot the other one and go through together. You see that thing? And the and everything there, let's say the signal that it will give you is come, bro. The signals are always right. The signals are always what? Right. It's 1,044 right? It's 1,457. 457. Do know difference $10. Difference $10. It's not easy, bro. Difference $10 is not easy. Yeah. So if you're watching me right now, you can just try your hand on this signal and it's good for you. Yeah, so this one is give you like live arbitrage signals for you to trade. Yeah, when you subscribe to it. Yeah, so I have the link in my bio, or if you join my Telegram link, I have the links inside. You can join. And since you don't want the bot to trade for you, it's 3 in 1. Like we have set segments that the bot can trade for you. Here, the bot can trade for you automatically, or if you think that okay, I can't risk this thing and I want to trade it manually with my own knowledge, then you go in for this one. This one, it will give you signals for you to trade it manually. It will give you live price differences, show you where to buy, where to sell. It will give you the best spread, and it will also give you the volume for 24 hours. You see, it will give you everything. Yeah, so that's how it is. Yeah. So thank you for watching me. I'm Crypto Lord, and don't forget to subscribe and follow me. I'm out.